In the heart of the arid desert, a massive industrial experiment is redefining the boundaries of modern agriculture. Growing tomatoes in the sand was once considered impossible, yet these results are shifting the global food paradigm. The facility spans over 50,000 square meters, utilizing advanced climate control systems to mimic a Mediterranean environment. Every plant is monitored by a central computer system that adjusts nutrient delivery based on real-time growth data. Sunlight is supplemented by specialized light-emitting diodes, providing the exact spectrum required for optimal photosynthesis and ripening. Desalinated seawater is pumped from the coast, filtered through reverse osmosis, and delivered directly to the roots.
Outside, temperatures exceed 50 degrees Celsius, while inside, the atmosphere remains a steady and cool 24 degrees. Evaporative cooling walls utilize the dry desert air to lower temperatures efficiently without consuming excessive amounts of electricity.
The results are astounding, with yield rates surpassing traditional outdoor farming by over 400% annually per hectare.
Consistency is the hallmark of this industrial process, ensuring that every fruit meets strict weight and sugar specifications.
The cleaning process begins immediately after harvest, to remove any dust or particles carried in from the desert.
Drying fans remove excess moisture to prevent mold growth during the subsequent packaging and international shipping stages. Advanced optical sorting machines categorize the tomatoes by size, shape, and ripeness at a rate of 10 tons.
Nothing is wasted in this facility, as fruit that fails visual inspection is diverted for industrial pulping use.
The secondary line handles hundreds of kilograms of tomatoes per minute, preparing them for the high-temperature cooking vats.
Vacuum evaporation allows the juice to thicken at lower temperatures, preserving the natural color and nutrient profile. Technicians constantly test the sugar content to ensure the paste meets the requirements for international food safety standards.
The premium whole fruit is packaged with extreme care to maintain the structural integrity of the delicate skins.
Modified atmosphere packaging extends the shelf life of the desert-grown produce, allowing for long-distance transport to overseas markets.
Detailed traceability data is printed on every unit, linking the fruit back to the specific greenhouse growing bay.
The sheer scale of the operation is evident as thousands of units move toward the final shipping docks.
Robots calculate the most efficient stacking pattern to maximize space inside refrigerated containers and minimize any transit damage.
Pallets are secured with industrial plastic wrap to protect against the fine desert sand during the loading process. Produce is moved into flash chilling rooms to lower the core temperature before it is loaded onto trucks.
Energy for the entire processing plant is harvested from the sun, making this a carbon-neutral industrial agricultural operation.
Operators monitor the delicate balance between energy generation and the massive power requirements of the cooling and lighting.
Carbon dioxide levels are carefully managed to enhance the growth cycle, resulting in larger fruit and faster harvests.
Over 90% of the water used in the process is captured, filtered, and reused within the greenhouses.
Biological solutions like domestic bees are used for pollination, eliminating the need for manual or chemical flowering triggers.
For the canning line, tomatoes are diced with surgical precision by rotating blades spinning at high velocity. The filling machine operates at a speed of 500 cans per minute, maintaining a high throughput rate.
Mechanical seamers create a vacuum seal that ensures the product remains sterile and shelf-stable for several years.
Thermal processing is critical to eliminate any bacterial activity, ensuring the safety of the final consumer products.
Rapid cooling prevents overcooking, preserving the texture and flavor of the tomatoes grown in the harsh desert.
Any defective cans are automatically removed from the line to maintain the highest quality control standards possible. The branding emphasizes the unique origin of the product, highlighting the innovative nature of desert industrial agriculture.
The finished cases are then sealed with hot melt glue and moved toward the shipping area for international distribution.
The logistics of moving tons of fresh produce from the desert to the port requires precise timing. Every hour, a new truck departs, carrying the unexpected bounty of the desert to hungry markets worldwide. The cycle of life is continuous in this factory, with new seedlings germinating in a controlled environment. Seedlings are nurtured for 14 days before they are strong enough to be moved to the main. The transplanting process is the only manual task left in an otherwise fully automated industrial food system.
Once in the main bay, the plants will grow at an accelerated rate, thanks to the precision.
Vines can reach lengths of 15 meters, maximizing the vertical space available within the climate-controlled greenhouse structures.
Regular pruning is essential to maintain the balance between vegetative growth and the development of the fruit.
Thermal imaging cameras detect early signs of stress, allowing the system to adjust humidity levels almost instantly.
Micro-mist particles evaporate before hitting the leaves, cooling the air without increasing the risk of fungal infections.
Ripening is a carefully timed process, dictated by the concentration of light and specific nutrient mix provided.
Automated guided vehicles navigate the narrow aisles between rows of vines, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs.
Dissolved oxygen in the nutrient solution is vital for root health, preventing the development of anaerobic bacteria.
Healthy roots are the foundation of this industrial achievement, allowing for the rapid uptake of essential minerals. Maintaining a sterile environment is crucial to prevent the introduction of pests or diseases from the desert.
The architecture of the facility is designed for maximum efficiency, from energy capture to final product shipping.
The chemistry of the growing medium is adjusted daily to ensure the plants receive a perfect balance.
A portion of the harvest is dried to produce sun-dried tomatoes using the natural heat of the
Solar kilns accelerate the drying process while keeping the fruit protected from the intense desert sand winds.
These value-added products increase the profitability of the operation and cater to high-end culinary markets around the
Each jar represents the culmination of high-tech engineering and the raw power of the desert sun combined.
Even wastewater is treated and used to irrigate salt-tolerant plants surrounding the perimeter of the factory.
The green belt helps to stabilize the sand and provides an additional layer of protection for the.
At night, the facility remains active, with the artificial lights creating a surreal glow in the dunes. The factory never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day to meet the increasing demand for fresh food. Air quality is monitored strictly, with multiple stages of filtration to remove any pathogens or desert dust.
Early detection of insects is critical, as a single outbreak could jeopardize the entire harvest within days.
Nature is integrated into the industrial process, using predatory insects instead of harmful chemical pesticides for protection.
The efficiency of the thermal insulation ensures that the cold air remains trapped inside the growing bays.
High-pressure pumps are the heart of the water system, turning salty seawater into life-giving fresh irrigation.
Minerals extracted from the brine are reused or sold, further increasing the sustainability of the entire complex.
Reliability is essential when managing living organisms in a hostile environment where minutes of heat are fatal.
Compared to traditional farming, the desert factory uses 90% less water to produce the same yield.
The contrast is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the advancement of agricultural technology.
Thousands of varieties of seeds are stored here, providing genetic diversity for future iterations of the project. Each cultivar is tested for its ability to thrive in the unique light and temperature conditions provided. Fresh juice is a popular byproduct, bottled on-site and distributed to local markets within 24 hours.
The automated labeling and capping ensure the product is hygienic and ready for immediate consumption by the public.
Small-scale local distribution complements the massive international shipping operations, providing food security for the local region.
The scale of this vision is breathtaking, representing a multi-billion-dollar investment in the future of food.
Staffing is minimal, as the entire industrial process is designed to be as autonomous as possible today. Preventative maintenance is the key to preventing downtime in a facility that never stops growing and processing. The algorithm calculates the exact mineral requirements based on the current age and health of the plants.